The Philippines is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. A lot of tourist spots can be seen wherever you go. One of these places, Bolinao Pangasinan, is located about 280 kilometers or 5 hours travel from its capital city Manila. Last March 26, 2022, my auntie invited us to go to Bolinao for a day tour. We're very excited to travel since we haven't had any day tours because of the pandemic. We left our home around 3 a.m. and arrived in Alaminos City, the home of the famous 100 Islands. We have our stopover and eat our breakfast before continuing our travel to Old Rock Resort and Hotel, our first stop in Bolinao. We were astounded by the beauty of Old Rock Resort when we arrived. I can describe the scenery as a jewel in the Pacific. Old Rock Resort has its theme of prehistoric rock but with a modern touch. Some of us prepared our lunch and we took videos and pictures beside the wonderful beach. I thank my Auntie Ligaya and Uncle Bert, including all of my family members, because of our delightful experience. The next stop is Camp Poo or. It was a relaxing and rejuvenating experience when we arrived. There were small nipa hut houses located beside the Bolinao River. The final stop is the Great Bolinao River, the cleanest river in Pangasinan. We had our early dinner with the most delicious plates of seafood you could ever experience. While eating, a tugboat pulled our floating balsa. It was a breathtaking experience. Eating while the balsa traveling slowly by the river, this is once-in-a-lifetime experience you could ever have. I hope you can visit Bolinao too and have some experiences that you can share with the world like me. This is my country, the Philippines, and this is Bolinao Pangasinan. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel Rogapo TV for more exclusive content and updates. Thanks everyone for watching.